Yes. Now we'll discuss what? Now we'll discuss coefficient of polynomial and zero of the geometrical mean of the zero of the polynomial. Coefficient of polynomial. Coefficient, right? Look at here. Suppose x square plus 2. This is the polynomial of x. If p of x is the polynomial of x and x is x square plus 2. So now if you look at here that x is so x is here x square plus 2, that is the polynomial of x. So for this polynomial of x, our point is what is the coefficient of what coefficient? So for x square, therefore coefficient of x square is 1. Coefficient of x square is 1 means what number, what numerical value is multiplied with x? That is the numerical coefficient. Actually, this is a numerical coefficient of x square. Suppose I write here, look at it, 3xy. So for 3xy, the coefficient of y is equal to 3x. Coefficient of x is equal to 3y. Then coefficient of xy is equal to 3. So here the coefficient of xy is equal to 3. That means this is the numerical coefficient. Understood? This is the numerical coefficient of what? Numerical coefficient of xy. So numerical coefficient of xy, that is 3. The coefficient of x means what number, what term, what any numerical value is multiplied with here x. So for in x, the 3y is multiplied. So 3y is the coefficient of x. Similarly, the 3x is the coefficient of y. Understood? So this is the coefficient. I hope you understood what is coefficient. Coefficient finished. Now we'll discuss very important part, that is geometrical meaning of the zero of the polynomial. So zero of the polynomial, in a very easy method of doing here. So simply remember in this graph, geometrical mean, in this graph, look at here, the zero of the polynomial. So x, for what value of x in a graphical representation? Actually, if this is a graph, suppose a straight line, if a graph is a straight line and in that you know that is x and this is x minus, this is x plus, this is y plus and this is y minus. In this graph, if the graph is straight line, remember that polynomial must be linear polynomial. This is, suppose maybe this is x square plus 5x plus 6, like that. One example. I am just giving one example. If that one example, that is x square plus 5x plus c, that is what? This is a quadratic polynomial. Okay. So one thing I have told you here, this is quadratic polynomial. Let's see here. I write here. X square plus 5x plus 6. So for linear polynomial, I am telling here linear polynomial. So linear polynomial, suppose x plus 5 is equal to 6. This is the linear. This is the linear. This is the quadratic. So linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial. In quadratic polynomial, what will happen? So this is a like this. Okay. So in quadratic polynomial, it may be like this, or in quadratic polynomial, it may be like this. 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 So I will discuss one by one. I will discuss slowly. Okay. Let me first discuss linear polynomial. Okay. So on linear polynomial, the different values of x will come, and the graph shows straight line. So on the straight line here, so maybe here or maybe here or maybe here, only one point. So that is the degree of polynomial, that is 0, one value is coming, 0 values 1, and that is the degree of polynomial is 1. Okay, in this case the value of x may be 2. This is 0 of the polynomial and this is 0. Look at here. When you have drawn the graph in this picture from this polynomial, by taking the values After putting the values, you will get two values of zeros. If there is a quadratic polynomial, the quadratic polynomial is x value dita asipara chances achi. Maybe plus, maybe minus, just like alpha and beta. Okay, so x value may be alpha, x value may be beta. So this may be positive, this may be negative. So plus b minus b, right? Now here two values are coming, both are plus. Okay, if the two values are coming, then x may be alpha, may be beta. So the two values here, but in this case, alpha is equal to beta. Means alpha. Sorry, this is not alpha equal to beta. This is two zeros. Remember, this is two zeros of the polynomial. Two zeros, and this is so this is what linear. This is a straight line, and this picture is parabola. Parabola, right? So this is a linear graph. This is parabola, right? So I told linear graph. This is linear graph, and that is parabola. If this is a cubic polynomial, like this is cubic polynomial. X square plus x square plus 5x. This is cubic. That is hyperbola. The shape is either straight line. If the shape is like a U shape, that is parabola, and this is like a wave-like structure, that is a hyperbola. Okay, so for linear polynomial, this type of picture comes, straight line, and for quadratic polynomial, the hyperbola shape will come. Then for parabola shape is come, and here for cubic polynomial, hyperbola shape will come, like that. So then we'll discuss details about this geometrical meaning. Okay, next part.